I've come to terms, my baby is a bird. When you're in the sky, I'm hoping you'll return. What can I say? I knew it right away. You are what you are, and I feel like a cage. You're so cute in my latest on the bus. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. I can't help it, latest on the bird. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. Who ends up getting hurt. And when you land, curl up in my hands. Feathers come and go, oh don't you understand? I need you now, and I'll miss you when the wings I fell in love with take you away again. You're so cute in my latest on the bus. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. I can't help it, latest on the bird. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. How can I be her? How can I be your cloud? How can I be your cloud? How can I be your cloud? The one that doesn't have an end. Arms that are all around. Or should I hold you while I can? See they feel left out. I'm scared that you always will. But you're not the only one who's afraid of losing something. You always was afraid of losing something. You're so cute in my latest on the bus. I'll be the one who ends up getting hurt. I can't